The Inbound app allows users to easily set up and integrate campaigns focused on lead generation. Users are able to create new campaigns using various third-party platforms, assign sales reps to new leads, and create automated notifications for your team. You can also automatically add new leads to your Deals app and sales pipelines. To access the Inbound app, go to the app drawer on the top right. Then select Inbound. When going to the Inbound app, you will arrive at the My Leads page by default. This is your primary dashboard and includes a host of information including lead names, the campaign name, the freshness of the lead, the integration platform, the reps assigned to those leads, the lead type, and the overall breakdown of form submissions versus phone calls. You can quickly find an additional breakdown of information by clicking on the icon that appears when hovering over the rep assigned. The type of information you can preview depends upon whether you are viewing a phone call or a submission. This is a phone call preview. At the top, it shows our sales rep. Below this, it shows the caller name and number, the response, and allows you to listen to a recording of the call when using this widget here. Be sure to take note of this button at the bottom that reads, Create New Contact from Lead. Clicking this allows you to create a new contact in your Contacts app using this information here. Let's take a look at a form submission. This menu looks very similar. Once again, it shows the sales rep, and below it shows all the values that the user entered when submitting your form. Once again, you can use all of this information for your Contacts app by clicking this blue button at the bottom. Finally, the column on the far left here provides a variety of ways to filter your leads for a more detailed breakdown. However, let's save this for later in the video. For now, let's jump to Campaigns. This page provides a breakdown of your individual campaigns. The key information highlighted here is the date created, the total number of leads, the integration type, and notifications. On the right side of each campaign listing, you will see additional icons and buttons. This first icon will either be image or initials. This is the sales rep assigned to the campaign. Next to this is an on and off toggle. This allows you to turn your campaign on or off without deleting it entirely. Click the link in the article below to learn more about this process. Next to this is the edit icon. This opens the editor and allows you to make changes to an existing campaign. You can also learn more about this by clicking a separate link in the article below. Finally, the red trash can icon allows you to delete the campaign from the Inbound app. However, be sure to read some important notes about deleting an inbound campaign by clicking the link in the article below. At the top of this page, just below the app drawer, is the New Campaign button. This is what allows you to set up new campaigns within the Inbound app. If you're interested in learning how to create a new campaign using a specific integration, click one of the links in the article below. Finally, take note of the search bar here. This exists on both the Campaigns and the My Leads page. You can quickly search for specific leads and campaigns by using this search bar. Finally, we go to the Reporting tab. The Reporting tab provides individualized breakdowns of campaign performance by the following: form submissions, phone calls, total leads, lead breakdown by date, and the lead count per sales representative. You can also quickly view reporting by integration type by using the filters within this leftmost column. Finally, we can customize our reporting dates by using this calendar widget at the top. You can select a predefined period from the left, or use the actual calendar to select your start and end dates. The reporting page will update appropriately. As a final step, let's go over how we can customize the Inbound app. First, we have filtering leads, integrations, and sales reps. We can quickly filter our campaigns by freshness, lead type, integration type, or sales rep. Simply select an option and watch the table update in real time. You can also select more than one filtering option. This can be helpful when narrowing down leads for specific integrations and sales reps simultaneously. In the bottom right corner, we have items per page. You can leave this as default, or you can switch to 50 or 100 items in your table per page. In the top right corner, we have a button that reads Manage Columns. Clicking this brings up the Manage Columns menu. On the left, we have all of the columns listed in our table. A blue check mark means that the column is visible. If you want to hide a column, check the box again. You can reorganize your columns by grabbing one on the right and moving it where necessary. You can also delete or hide a column by clicking the X button here. Be aware that you cannot delete or remove the rep assigned or the freshness column. When you're satisfied, be sure to save. This covers all of the basics of using the Inbound application. Be sure to use the links in the article below to learn more about the specific processes.